How to delete YouTube search history on iPhone. Deleting your YouTube search history on iPhone is quick and easy, helping you maintain a clean search experience. Let's dive in. Launch your YouTube app. You'll land to the home page. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the search icon. Click on it. With that, your search history will appear. Now, how to delete it? If you just wanna delete a specific search, what you can do is swipe to the left. You'll see the option of delete. Click on it. You can do the same for other searches as well, but in the case you want to delete the entire search history, what you can do is you can head back, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Now, you'll land to the profile page. At the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon, click on it. Now navigate to the option of manage all history, click on it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Over here, you'll find this section of saving your YouTube history. Click on this drop down of delete. Then you can select the option of delete all time. Then click on delete. With that, all of your search history of YouTube will be deleted. If you want to stop YouTube from saving your searches in the future, you can head towards the section of controls. Then click on the option of turn off. With that, you'll be good to go. This will prevent YouTube from recording your search activity while the setting is enabled. And that's how you can delete your YouTube search history on iPhone. Keeping your search history clean helps you maintain privacy and a more tailored YouTube experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.